Nagsampa na po ng impeachment complaint against Vice President Leni Robredo.
I won't allow. I won't.
Do you think, sir, may basehan po para ma-impeach nga po siya? What are your thoughts po?
Look, we just had an election. Guys, lay off. Let's stop it. Can do other things, but do not tinker with the structure of government. I will not countenance it. Elected yung tao. So, why do you have to sit just because he keeps on harping on me? Yeah, this is democracy. It's freedom of speech. Wala naman, there is no or there are no overt acts committed. Kakatapos lang ng eleksyon, bakit mo sirayan bayan? Okay, malay mo ako, baka hindi na ako magising bukas sa bangungot, okay na. Siya naman, pero you create trouble there for ayaw yung military kasi ayaw na hindi naman tamad, pero bakit mo dagdagan yung problema nila? Pati police who will keep order in this country, kundi sila ngayon magsabi lang, hindi lang natin na magsabi lang, mga to gusto ng gulo, gusto talaga ng basagan ng ulo. Maganda na nga ang buhay kakatapos lang ng eleksyon. This is a democracy. Leaders are elected. If there are to be a son of a it's still the people's choice. Remember that.
Sir, sorry, follow up. So wala kayong nakikitang mali dun sa ginawa niya, sir, na nagbigay siya ng video dun sa UN Commission on Narcotics and said na may palit ulo?
Ma'am, I cannot out of the country for 4 days. I have not been abreast with the... Alam mo, hindi ako nakabasa ng newspaper. Yung mga column, hindi ko nakabasa. Yun lang, yung news talaga. But wala akong nahawak ng newspaper.